We'll guide you through how to fix Windows was unable to complete the formatting. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is annoying as you may then be unable to go and use the drive or whatever you're trying to do this with. So to go and get started, we can go and close out of this like so. What you need to do is come down to the bottom and click on search, and you can go and type in disk management and click on create and format hard disk partitions. In disk management, you need to go and scroll down like so and go and find the drive or disk this is happening with. What we need to do is go and allocate it. If it is already allocated, you want to right click on it and click on delete volume. That will go and delete everything. Just note that. Then when we've got it unallocated, right click and press new simple volume, and we want to go through the wizard. Personally, I don't change any of this, and we can then press next and let it allocate. When it's finished, you can come out of it and open up File Explorer. Now, when I try and right click on it and click on format, it'll go and be successful. And it's complete. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.